Hello, welcome back to my channel. We are on day 17, which is this one here. And inside we have, let me just grab my journal. This one is this ribbon that I found, which has, if I can find the end, these sort of oak leaves on it. Quite autumny, but I thought it would work for winter as well. I thought it was pretty cool. So let's put it in our journal. Okay, as well as our ribbon, I've pulled out some of our images. I'm tempted to use the bits of the tree that we snipped off, but I also quite like this one as well. So bearing that in mind, I also thought it would be quite nice to use some of the packaging today. So this was from day 6, but I'm going to use this as collage, I think. So let's tear some of that. Just going to use my, have I gone out of focus? There we go. I'm going to use my glue stick and start off with some of this packaging. I really hope that you're enjoying watching as I open this calendar. I hope you're inspired to have a go, even if you didn't get yourself one of my calendars, that you've got, you know, something similar that you could substitute and have a go at some of these things and work along with me. Okay, look, a bit of that pattern. Here's what I'm thinking. That's quite nice along the edge with some of that ribbon, maybe. I don't like the white stripe, so I'm going to take that off. We'll see. I'm going to just put something a bit more in the background first, I think. Oh, can't open my gesso. There we are. Done it. I'm going to use a palette knife today instead of a paintbrush. Just grab, where is it gone? Yes, my painted cloth, and just blend in some to bring back that pattern from the collage. That's quite nice. I'll give that a quick dry. I've glued my little snippet of tree down, and I'm going to take my Stabilo awl. Just needs a quick sharpen. I'm going to dip it in my water to activate it, and then just play around with maybe joining up some of the branches that I can see and drawing in my own tree here. Something like that. and I can take my paintbrush and activate any of those areas that I want to. So I can activate the trunk a little bit more. I can pull it out to join in with the photograph. So kind of using that snippet of photograph to extend this image. I've got some coffee next to me. I hope you're all feeling ready for Christmas now. All your shopping is out the way. And tell me what you're up to. Are you going to be at home? Are you with family? We are at home, but my mother-in-law, who lives around the corner from us, we always sort of get together for Christmas dinner. So we'll be doing that. And we have our traditions, Christmas stockings in the morning, and smoked salmon and scrambled egg on toast for breakfast. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it now. It's getting close. Let's incorporate our ribbon on the edge there. Do you think? So just cut that. It's really cool ribbon, this. Couldn't resist it when I found it. I'm going to give it a try. I might add a splash of colour in there. We'll see. I've pulled out some of my watercolours. I kind of wanted to put a bit of green in because of the green on the ribbon, but I'm trying to match the colour a little bit better. So I've popped that green in and put some blue in it. Maybe put a little bit of yellow in there. That's a bit closer to, I think. Okay. And I'm just going to dot some of that in there. I don't want to activate too much of the Stabilo wall, so I'm being careful. Okay, let's stick the ribbon down. Hopefully that will stick down okay. So that's how it's looking at the moment. And I pulled out from our words. Now, where did it go? Yes, winter days. Do I put that on the tree? Do I put it over here? I think we're going to have it just over here, tucked out the way. So we've got a little impromptu landscape today in our, do I want anything else in our journal? I think I'm going to leave it at that. So winter days and our little leafy ribbon. Okay, that's number 17. Hope you've enjoyed that one, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.